Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it. Looks like the Bitcoin price is really trying to get back above this green resistance box right now. We are underneath it. Every time we get back up and then we get a slight rejection, we did get it back up to 46,800 today, roughly around that area, 46,700, and now we're starting to get some sell pressure from there. Looks like we're coming back for another retest right now. We could look at the smaller time frames as well. Looks like we keep coming back up, up, and up, and up. And we are getting red diamonds on the 1 hour on Market Cipher. The daily time frame is looking pretty, it looked really bad the other day, and now it's starting to slow down a bit. Looks like maybe we could be starting to do something like this where we curve in, maybe go back up, or another momentum wave if we are staying on the positive side. If we're going to get on the negative side of things, then yeah, we could definitely maybe get another correction down to lower levels. We could obviously be going to 41,000, 42,000, and maybe hit the $43,800 area once again. If we do that, I wouldn't be really surprised. We did see a nice little bullish divergence, and they pumped up to 46,600 from the $44,000 areas. But like I said in the morning, I was sleeping at that time, so obviously didn't enter that trade. And right now, it looks like Bitcoin's just consolidating, trending sideways. Altcoins have bled significantly more than Bitcoin. I think ADA or something like that went down 20% in one day, or was it Litecoin? I'm not sure. Or Litecoin trade did make us some amazing gains, but then we definitely got liquidated once we went to bed. this Ethereum trade decided to roll over and go all the way down to $3,000 basically. And then we found some support from there, and then we had a huge bounce up back up to 35,000. Which is where we're at right now, and we're trending sideways. But definitely be careful, guys. We don't want a continuation pattern. If we do get that, then I won't be surprised. Continuation patterns can take different forms and shapes. It could definitely just be doing something like this, and then trend sideways and then continue downwards, right? But we do have like some more positive, like stay on the positive side if we're going to look at all scenarios. On the positive side, the daily EMA ribbons have not crossed. This could be just another dip, just like here, like we've seen before. Another dip in the uptrend, dip, right? Bounce, dip, and then we bounce from there, and then dip, and then bounce, and eventually we just can't dip anymore, and we cross, and then we roll over. Right, and then it becomes resistance, right? When we go back up, and then we hit the EMA ribbons as resistance, and we come back down once again, again, and again, until it just can't take it anymore, and then breaks out. All right, we're gonna retest. So this is just our first test. So right now, I'm not too worried. I think this is still a great buy. If you haven't bought already on the hash ribbons, we're basically at the point where we bought it, so we're pretty much at break even from there. And we definitely want to see a nice little correction before a nice move to the upside. So if we do, consider this a bounce, and we do move up to the upside, as we've seen in the past right here, once we touch the EMA ribbons and we get a nice bounce, we've seen 145% pumps, we've seen 96, and then from there on until they start to slow down and diminish, 44%. So right now we've had this nice little rally up to 79%. Maybe we're gonna get a 50% pump from here. Maybe we're gonna go up to the previous all-time high of 70,000. Maybe we're gonna go to 65, then get a rejection, and then we'll pump up parabolically. But we'll see where this takes us. September 14, the CPI numbers come out for the economic numbers are in the US. We're gonna get the CPI numbers for August. What am I saying? So we're gonna get the CPI numbers for August on September 14th. So definitely make sure you take a look at it if you are interested in it. If not, then it's not relevant to you. But for me, it's really relevant because all these buying Bitcoin and gold, it's all about inflation and hedging against the US dollar, which in my opinion will definitely go down in the future, but that's subject to change. Definitely we've seen that the DXY is just trending sideways right now. We are finally getting some mixed emotions on the monthly candles. Like It's not as bullish anymore. On the weekly time frame, it's a bit bearish, but it's starting to slow down. And on the daily time frame, we know where it's bullish, but we'll see where this takes us. Oops, don't want to do that. You can see that we're finding to stay above right here. We did create a little bit of an opposite trigger wave right there, which is pretty funny. I don't know. I don't think this is going to go up, to be honest, but we'll see. Anyways, be careful, guys. I'm not entering any trades right now. This is pretty, dangerous conditions, so I'm definitely going to be wary about entering any trades at the moment, and you should definitely exercise some proper risk management as well. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Love you guys. Peace. Oh, and one more thing. On the BitGet, looks like Unified Futures has a bit of a problem. I'm in contact with BitGet, and we're going to get that fixed as soon as possible so you guys can see my name again, because I do have funds in there. But I'll keep you guys up to date in the Discord. Love you guys. Peace.